Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find hidden spy apps on Android. So, you can't see this spy apps on your app list here. So for this, go for your settings, then go for your apps and notification. Go for see all apps, and you can see all of these apps here, and you can see also spy apps, hidden spy apps here. So you can see this app I can't see here in this app list. You can see, but I can't see it in the app list of settings. So go for here, and you can just disable these apps from here. So yeah, that's how you can find hidden spy apps on Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.